Hi guys, good evening. Ayan. Sabayan niyo ako guys. Nakalimutan ko yung partner ko is tulog na. Bawat gabi yan ay every night yan siya naka-treatment yung mata niya. Paglagyan ko yun ng eye drops. Ayan, natulog na siya. Nakalimutan ko. Nakapikit na yun. Ayan. I-wake up ko yan siya. Ayan. Sabayan niyo ako guys. Malagyan ko ng eye drops yung partner. Yung Australian partner ko na matanda. Dada. I was like, eye drops. Gusto pala niya mag-CR. Ayan, sorry guys. Naka-underwear lang din siya. Kaya tinakpan ko. Ayan, maghintay-hintayin ko yan siya. Kasi, sana, before siya matulog guys, paglagyan ko yan ng eye drops. Dalawa siya. Para sa glaucoma niya. At saka sa katarak. Para mag-calm down yung glaucoma niya. Hindi mag-worse. Yan ang ng doktor niya galing sa Australia. Ito, dalawa. Yan, hintayin ko siya. Ganyan siya matulog guys. Parang kami naka-underwear lang siya. Pero naka-blanket yan siya. Daniela! Here! Come inside, hurry up! Many mosquito there! Yan guys, yung siya, lemon fresh oral spray. Yan, meron akong to nag-order pa. Yan. Ready na, Dada? Ready now?
Hey, Debbie.
You've been sleeping. I forget. I said, oh my God. You're sleeping now. Daddy, come here. Get up here. Say, Daddy.
Mama.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Look at your hair. Cover your eyes. Uh-oh, Dada, look. Kiss Dada, kiss Dada. Eyes. Eyes daw, Daddy.
Ay, Mom. Yeah.
No.
No.
Mouth. Mouth.
There you go.
What time you gonna sleep? Oh, you hit your head. hit your head.
Oh, Bob.
Ouch! Look at your hands, Dada, full of writing. Look.
What you doing?
Look, the ballpoint. Look.
Nah. Hey, Bob.
You're writing her skin. Ew.
Yeah,
You over. Look, your hair covering your eye. I see. Here. Where's your mouth?
Yeah, Bob. Yeah.
You pull down that. Mm-hmm. Come here. Iya, tigdig-giya. Akin na dan, iPad na dan.
Ito na si Diego, no?
Okay, say good night to Daddy.
Si Louie.
Just a little bit na.
Si Louie.
I turn up the light, Danny.
Yeah.
Danny! Ow! Say good night, babe. Night. Say good night. Look. Hmm? Danny, Danny? Look at here. Look. Be careful. You hit. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys. Tapos na. Ay, no ako. Ay. Okay. Ay, inanak mi sa kwarto, guys. But kami ni Daniela unya pag hindi matulog ani ay. So okay, maoro to guys, maoro to mga kamamshi akong update karong adlaw karong gagion na. Okay. See you next time and good night to all. We love you all and thank you for watching my video and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.